and welcome to the Traveling Foxes. I'm Nat and I'm currently based in the Philippines. If you're new to our channel, we love sharing our travel tips and adventures to inspire the wanderlust within you. This is not a sponsored post, but I would like to share with you guys this beautiful stay by Taal Lake. So why Nuuk Taal? This was actually a birthday gift from my husband's parents. We were supposed to enjoy it around the summer season, maybe March or April. But as you saw, the resort is located overlooking the volcano. And the time we booked was when there was some ash fall and we had to postpone our trip. And for the second reason, this is actually a Danish-inspired resort. Anyway, before I show you guys around, I want to share with you what happened. So I actually thought I booked this resort on July 30. And on June 30, I got a message from Nuuk Taal asking me what I wanted for dinner. I messaged them back and I said, isn't my booking in July 30? And in my head I was like, it's really too soon to think about like what you're gonna eat in 1 month's time. And then I went to my emails, I checked my booking, and it was actually booked for June 30. So what happened was, this was already in the middle of the afternoon and I was like, I don't want to waste this trip. So what we did is we packed our bags and we just left. So we checked in around 7 p.m, had dinner at around 7:30. We ordered Wagyu steak and salmon risotto. Take note that the meals need to be pre-ordered in this resort at least a couple of hours before mealtime. It started raining, so we retired to our room and called it a day. What's cool about this boutique resort is that each room is actually designed differently. We are booked in room 2, so let me show you our room. So room 2 is actually loft style, it fits 4 people. And what I really like about it is it's very spacious and each corner was given a bit of time to make beautiful, you know, like there's artworks in every single corner. It doesn't feel like a standard hotel room, which to me is a huge plus, because if you go to other 5-star resorts, it just has a bed, a lamp, you know, and a table. But this one, they really invested time to put artworks in different corners, and they all blend in very perfectly with each other. And the style of this resort is a mix of Scandinavian and Filipino. Who knew that these two types of art would actually fuse together? And Nuuk Taal has actually proven that it can. Now, before we check out the toilets, I want to show you upstairs. So there is a really slim set of staircase. When it's dark, it's actually quite scary to go up and down. But when you get upstairs, it's very cozy again, with another spot where you can enjoy and relax. I was actually hanging out here last night. It was really nice. What's great is you don't have to hang out in your bed the whole time, because you could stay here, and if you want to watch TV, you could still see the TV from the 2nd floor. And if I stayed here for a longer trip and not just overnight, I would have made this particular spot in the corner of the 2nd floor my workspace. Now let's head down so I can show you what a bathroom should look like in your house and in other resorts as well. People should really take note of the signs like this. I can get so much inspiration from this resort for my renovations, but just looking at this toilet, I love how you have these beautiful lamps, because if you look at most toilets in other resorts, it would just be like a light bulb. But here they actually put a little effort to make it so cozy. I even just want to stay here and spend some time pampering myself, rather than just using a toilet as a shower and go place. So rooms here range from about 10,000 pesos to 18,000. This particular room, room 2, is around 14,500 per night. Alright, now let's head outside so I can show you the rest of the resort. So room 2 has a balcony and we have a view, and you also have some rooms in the main wing, which is where the restaurant is. Let's head down. So this is where I did my intro earlier. As you can see, wow, like every furniture is just so well thought of and well placed. And over here is where we're gonna have breakfast. All right, let's have breakfast. So another thing that's really nice about this resort is there's a lot of tables just around where you can chill. I do believe that if you want some time off from Manila, this is only a 90-minute drive, so it's such a great place to relax. And let's have a look who's over here. Hi. Hi. How are you enjoying the pool? So one of the amenities is the swimming pool, and let's go have a closer look at it. I am just underneath the garden, and another beautiful relaxing spot where you can just look at Taal straight on and enjoy the view. Look at this, guys. These stairs lead to the lake shore. This is my first time to come here, so yeah, I really love it. I love nature. As you can see from our other videos, we're always out doing nature hikes and just checking out beautiful locations like this, and yeah, this is awesome. One of the questions you may ask when you're in this resort is like, oh, there's not much to do. It's just like any other resort with a swimming pool. But you know, you can go outside and walk by the lake. Ooh, look at that. Super awesome. This resort is actually located not too far from all the activities of Taal. I think it's a 30-minute drive to the main part where all the restaurants are, and also the places where you can go horseback riding, which I've never tried, so I don't even remember what it's called, but it's like range something. I would say for a relaxing holiday, time out, stress release, this is a nice place. And the capacity of the resort is only around 30+ packs, so it wouldn't feel too crowded. And I just like how you can also go out, walk, go grab their kayak, rent it, and enjoy the lake for a little bit. I'm not going to be doing that because I have to make my way back to Manila, back to work today, because it's a Friday today. But yeah, I hope I was able to show you guys around. The last thing I'm going to show you is the main part of this resort, which is the restaurant, and that's where we had dinner last night. Just have to walk up again. I hope you guys were able to learn a thing or two from this vlog, and also helped you make a decision if you want to stay here or not. Again, this is not a sponsored post. I just like sharing beautiful locations that I visit, and if you want to see a bunch of other resort tours or room tours, I will leave the link below so you can check it out. And once again, thank you guys for watching another vlog from the Traveling Foxes. We have a bunch of travel and adventure vlogs, so I hope you guys can subscribe and also like this video, and we'll see you in our next adventure.
I asked my mother, what will I be? Will I be pretty? Will I be rich? Here's what but she said to me, Que sera, sera. Whatever will be, will be. The future's not